So I've temporarily reassembled the movement. I still haven't cleaned it yet. Without these parts, without any of the levers or the escapement verge, just the gearing, to look at how everything operates, and also to make sure that there was no problems with the gearing. And I'm using a pair of plier handles here as sort of a stand to hold the back plate up off this desktop, since the pivots stick out past the plates. And I'm going to put a winding crank on the arbor of the strike train here, and you can see the winding ratchet works. And then if I rotate it this direction, you can see everything is functional going this way. I'm just using very light pressure here. Then on the time side, we'll do a similar check. Winds real nice. So in this way we can sort of verify that everything is functional. I don't know why the that back pivot on this second wheel was out before, but it went in with no trouble at all. As you can see, the advance mechanism on the count wheel works just fine. So no issues there. So the next step will be to take what I have just temporarily pinned back apart and then clean everything individually, peg out all the holes, check all the pivots and clean them up as required, and reassemble the movement.